Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start with the first chapter, the plants. What are plants? Plants are living beings. They also need food for their survival. They can prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. Then, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in leaves that makes them green. What are the parts of a plant? Do you know that? Here a figure shows the different parts of a plant, that is leaf, flower, stem, fruit and root. Each part has its specific function. Then green plants are called autotrophs. Autotrophs make their own food with the help of their leaves. The preparation of food takes place in leaves. So, leaves are called the food factories of the plant. Then, let us discuss about the functions of different parts of a leaf. Here a figure shows the different parts of a leaf, that is petiole, leaf blade, midrib and vein. The first part is leaf blade. The flat part of the leaf is leaf blade. Then petiole. The leaf is attached to the stem by petiole. Each leaf has one main vein called midrib. Then the last is the leaf has tiny openings called stomata. The leaves take carbon dioxide from atmosphere through the stomata. Then, what is photosynthesis? The figure shows the process of photosynthesis. The process of making food by plants using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. During this process, oxygen is released. The food is formed in the form of sugar. The food transported throughout the plant by the stem and its branches. Then there are some non-green plants like molds, mushrooms and fungi. They do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot prepare their own food. They get food from dead and decaying matter. Then some plants like croton have colorful leaves like reddish color leaves. These leaves have chlorophyll, so they prepare their own food. The next topic is interdependence of plants and animals. Plants, animals and human beings depends on each other. Plants give food, shelter and oxygen to us and animals. We give out carbon dioxide which is used by plants in photosynthesis. The next, balance in nature. A balance between the number of plants and animals are very important To maintain the balance, we have to protect both the plants and animals' life. Today we have learned about the plants and the process of photosynthesis. I think you understand very well. Here I am giving you one word puzzle based on today's lesson. Find out the words and study well. Thank you.